Hi, this is State Representative Antonio Parkinson. This week, Governor Haslam announced that he would not be participating in the Medicaid expansion created in the Affordable Care Act by President Obama. According to estimates, between 200 and 300,000 working Tennesseans would have had access to quality, affordable health care coverage if we were to expand Medicaid. In addition, those not covered, Tennessee risks losing over $10 billion in federal funds that would have gone towards health care coverage, resulting in a loss of 90,000 jobs and closures of dozens of hospitals across the state. The governor has said he will seek to create a Tennessee plan that uses federal dollars to offer private insurance to those who would have had coverage under Medicaid expansion. But so far, the federal government has not agreed to these plans. Tennessee has a moral obligation to the least among us to ensure that Tennesseans don't die from preventable illnesses if they had access to health care coverage. And if prison inmates and elected officials can have state-run insurance, then surely taxpaying Tennesseans should have the same chance as well. The House and the Senate are currently debating legislation that would create vouchers that would allow students to attend private schools with public dollars. The governor's proposal would cover only a few thousand Tennesseans in certain districts and will prevent the opening of new schools that will be able to accept these tuition vouchers. While there have been proposals that would open up these tuition vouchers to students in my district, the current proposal does not go far enough to ensure a quality education for all Tennesseans. We are fighting to ensure that the students from our community are able to remain in our community if this bill passes and they choose to accept a voucher. Over the last few weeks, Republicans have pushed through numerous proposals that have eliminated the ability for cities like Memphis to set a prevailing wage rate, which simply creates a minimum wage for construction workers and ensures public tax dollars don't go out of state and instead go to create good jobs for hardworking Tennesseans. In addition, new legislation is being proposed that will further reduce or eliminate the state prevailing wage rates for construction workers in my district and across Tennessee. This is all part of a race to the bottom. A race to the bottom that seeks to take money from the pockets of hardworking Tennesseans to give wealthy contractors. In the last few weeks, the House has moved through bills that will reduce access to the ballot box and voters from using their cell phones in the voting booth. During the debate over the bill to take away our ability to use cell phones in the ballot box, I talked about the great experience I had with my daughter taking her to vote with me for President Obama in the last election. It was a great chance to strengthen her pride and show her how great America can be. When I took a picture of her pressing the button for the president with her little finger on the button. We also think it's important to ensure that voters have the ability to document cases where election machines fail and voters are denied their ability to vote. Again, this is State Representative Antonio Parkinson, and each week we'll bring you an update with what's going on here at the state legislature. We appreciate you. We appreciate your support, and please contact your legislators to let them know what you want to see done and voice your opinion in these matters. Thank you.